Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. The fourth root of 32a to the 7th b to the 13th. To simplify, we'll factor the radicand so that we factor out the perfect fourth powers. So we have the fourth root, and the perfect fourth powers are 16a to the 4th b to the 12th, and what remains is 2a cubed times b. Now we take the fourth root of 16a to the 4th b to the 12th, and we get 2 times a times b cubed, and what remains in the radicand is 2 times a cubed times b. So simplified, we have 2ab cubed times the fourth root of 2a cubed b.